The Velina River glimmers under the sun, a vital artery of the town of Lorian. Nira's laughter echoes as she plays by the riverbank, her energy mirroring the river's vibrancy. The air is filled with birdsong, a gentle reminder of the river's life-giving embrace. Years drift by, and the Velina River transforms into a dismal stretch of murky water, choked with refuse. Nira, her youth now a memory, strolls listlessly by the river, her actions indifferent to the decay. In a moment of thoughtless disregard, she carelessly adds to the filth, tossing an empty wrapper into the contaminated stream. In the stillness of night, Nira dreams, her breath soft as she slumbers. The dream pulls her to the Velina River, now a horrifying reflection of its former self, tainted and desolate. The river's voice echoes with sorrow. Nira, why have you hurt me? I gave you beauty, peace, and joy. Now I am sick. The Velina River flows, its waters stained with pollution and neglect as trash lines its banks. Lost in thought, Nira carelessly throws trash into the river, oblivious to the damage. The sounds of Lorian fill the air, drowning out the river's silent suffering. Nira sleeps soundly, unaware of the dreamscape about to unfold. Before Nira, a river appears, not of water, but a being of shimmering light. Nira asks, "I didn't know you could talk." The ethereal river replies gently, "I always could, but you were too loud to listen. Now I'm tired. I can't breathe." Tears stream down Nira's face as she apologizes. "Can I help you?" Nira, a figure of resolve, initiates the cleanup, her actions echoing a silent vow to restore the river's beauty. An old man with kind eyes, Mr. Thalo, joins Nira, his presence a testament to the enduring power of collective action. As the sun kisses the water, the river responds with gratitude, its current shimmering with renewed life, and the town's baker, Leva, brings treats.